Now, I've taught almost 1 million people on the internet how to tie a tie, but apparently some of you still cannot grasp it. So today I'm going to use this bad boy, my mirror, and we're going to make it as simple as possible to learn the half Windsor knot. All you're going to need to do is to put your phone next to the mirror and just copy me exactly. And seriously, if you can't do that, maybe you should just get one on a rubber band or something, because seriously, it's probably not worth trying anymore. Okay guys, let's get straight on with it. You're probably late for a wedding or court, maybe. So let's do it. By the way, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from, because these are going all over the world and it's really interesting for me to know how far they're being spread. So let's do it. Okay, so this image is now mirrored. All you're going to have to do is copy it exactly as I do. The thin end of the tie, known as the tail, you're going to need that quite short. The thick end of the tie, known as the blade, you're going to have that quite long. Now this will vary from tie to tie and neck and body size, so you will just need to work out after a few goes how long you need each side. But you cross the thick end over the thin, squeeze the middle just to keep it together, and bring the thick end round the back of that knot. Then we're going to tuck this blade through the middle, that loop through the middle, give it a little tug, and your tie should be hanging directly behind and back to front. Then we're going to cross it to the opposite direction, bring it over the front, and that is going to produce that little, the front of your knot. And then we're literally just going to tuck the thick end of the blade from behind through the loop and tuck it through that, just the front of that little knot. And then the trick to making a good knot is to give the blade a little pull, then squeeze the bottom of this knot to start getting a nice triangular shape. And I would not just pull it straight up, I would always be squeezing that knot so you get a really nice shape. Pull your collar down. And there we are, guys, we're all done. The half Windsor knot should be pretty simple. Okay, so that is it. Please tell me you managed it. If you managed it, leave the video a like. Tell us in the comments below so we can know that we're helping people. If you didn't manage it, what's wrong with you? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Why not follow our vlog? I run a menswear business here in the UK, and you can see behind the scenes of how you grow a fashion business from scratch. Might be something you're interested in, might not be, doesn't really matter. Either way, why not sub to our channel, and we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.